think the best way for you to learn how to play Guess Who is just to watch me and your dada play.
Ready when you are.
Is your person an Amish farmer?
I don't think so. That's a little too specific, don't you think? Is your person wearing a hat?
No. Does your person look like a clown without makeup?
No, it's not Herman. Do I need to teach you how to play this game?
I think I'm just fine.
So really, it's better to just ask general questions like, is your person a woman?
When was this game made? 1987? No. Has your person failed to use the Bates method for healing their poor eyesight?
You mean, are they wearing glasses?
I don't understand this game.
You're not the only one, kiddo.